we want to clarify. I have with me the Goa in charge of our ASI, Mr. Raghuvanshi. So we want to clarify what exactly we are doing in Old Goa, what is the development plan there, and what all permissions we have taken. So this is under the central scheme, Pilgrimage, Rejuvenation and Spiritual Augmentation Drive, that is known as Prashad. This scheme is launched by Government of India in 2014-15, and under this scheme, it is to development of any religious site. We have proposed our Old Goa as a site under this project, which got approved. And under this project, we are just developing the parking area there. We are building an information center and lighting of the monument and equipment. So these three components are included in the project. So right now we have started with the work of parking, only parking, development of the parking area. For this, we have taken all the necessary permissions which is required. I have all the permissions with me. I'll share with you. And we have started the work. Now, before doing this, we had a two meetings with all the shareholders, with all the stakeholders, which include the church authorities, which include the panchayat, ESI, TCP. We have taken their feedback and we have also modified the plan what we have. Like earlier, there were right now what we are doing is the tourism a toilet block and two shops, parking area and the lighting. So we have taken feedback and we have again made changes in the project. Like ASI has told us to replace the steel benches which we were putting and replace it with a wooden benches, sitting benches. So we have incorporated all these changes and we have started with the work. So I have the in charge of the ASI with me. So he will also clarify from his angle. So I request you to start. And after this, we will show you a detailed presentation. What is this project about and what all we are doing. So I want to clarify that we are not building any mall there. It is just a development of parking area and a toilet and information center block. That's it. Nothing more than this.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It is basically the whole thing goes with the public amenities, with the Prasad scheme. So during only we will be able to tell you the further course of action of ASI.
So, as he said, we have received his letter on Saturday evening. So, based on his instruction, we have kept the work on hold. So, he will do his research, he will put his team there, he will find out whether what all precious things are there, and based on his clearance, then only we'll restart the work. So, as of now, the work is stopped based on his instructions.
So, yesterday the Punch members were there of Goa Panchayat, so they said this work has begun without Panchayat's permission.
We'll take the permission. The work is divided into three parts. First is the development of the parking, and second is the building of the.
No, but this work has commenced without the permission of Panchayat, the local Panchayat.
So right now we have just started with the leveling the work.
No, but you
We have applied for the
without
panchayat.
permission.
We have applied for the panchayat and.
Panchayat, they are saying yesterday they said that they will raise a stop work notice from Panchayat for this work.
As of now, we have not received any stop work
But
order
you
from
started the
that.
work without the Panchayat permission, right? Panchayat, till at Panchayat not given you permission. Panchayat given issue the permission.
I'll clarify this.
No, just now you said this, you are having one permission.
So we have the TCP clearance for this. We have a
No, the
forest.
Panchayat, yesterday
But
the
the
Panchayat
local
said
body is
Panchayat not
permission.
given
I understand. I
permission.
understand. Yeah. We have applied to the panchayat. We are awaiting.
Because at
Yeah.
yesterday you
But
said
you
there were
started the
Punch
work without the
members.
permission.
punch members present, they said they have not got any
Any
NOC.
application from you all?
Yeah.
There's no application received in the Panchayat till date.
You have applied to Panchayat, right?
No, our question is clear.
Mhm.
Is construction started without NOC
From the Panchayat.
from the Panchayat?
Already work has been started over there.
Is
Like
it
digging
on-
things.
No, we have started the work.
Yes.
But
Only
What is
leveling of
without-
the
is
work.
without a permission.
Yesterday's
Yes, sir.
issue
Yes,
was
sir,
that
no,
only that
that's
the
what
work
we
has
want to
started without the local body's permission.
Mhm.
What about the forest department? You all have started some.
Yes,
trees
yes.
over there.
I'll share all the copies with you.
No,
We
but
have.
you have the permission. From
We
the
have
forest
applied for
department?
50 trees cutting. We have received their permission for 25. I'll share the copies with you.
Now, regarding the ASI, now this area, the St. Francis of Assisi monument is there. And this area where the digging is currently undertaken, it is within 100 meters of the UNESCO monument. Now, since it is within 100 meters, is that allowed?
I will clarify that, See, specifically that what the NOC has been taken, this is a government project, okay? Prasad is a government project and tourism department, it's a Ministry of Tourism. And they have got the clearance from the National Monument Authority, which is a central body. It has been already been taken. And as you said about that, see, there are two components are there. One is your open space area, which comes into a prohibited area. And where is the toilet block, which is going to be taken up, that comes under the regulated area. So it is not within, it is away from the 100 meters. Okay?
So now about you are talking about this St. Francis of Assisi Church. And then you are saying that it is within the regulated area.
See,
But
it is.
then on the other side, if you go, there's the Santa Monica Convent and Church. That is a state monument. So when you say it is regulated off the St. Francis of Assisi, over here it becomes the prohibited
See,
area.
no, see now, the only point which I will request the media, see, when you come out, you should come to us. Then we'll show you where is the regulated area, where is the prohibited area, where is the protected area. Just on your presumption, if you make, it will be very bit difficult, So one of the point which the media house made about the mall, which is nowhere is there, I don't know how you come with that concept of a mall. There was no
No,
concept.
it is a heritage interpretation center.
Yes, yeah. See, now that is entirely different. Your mall, the concept of mall is entirely different. Okay, and these are the public amenities. You just burn your mind.
So I
These are the
request you to just
public
see
amenities.
the
Yeah.
presentation once.
That presentation,
It is a it's a single floor.
do right now.
Yes, that's why I'm saying it. We'll be documenting. See, documentation is the first thing what the archaeologist does. So what we'll do, we'll document. Documentation, it will be in a form of photography and drawings and the report. Then we'll demarcate the area. Then we'll come down which are the area has a more proximity of that. We'll demarcate that area and give to them, and we'll instruct them that when you know more, further action can be taken on these particular places. And then which are doesn't have much cultural evidence, we'll ask them. It can be work on that. So this will be in process. This will take time. We have to study that. So it will take time, and we'll definitely.
So right
do
now
that.
the work is stopped. Based on their clearance only, we'll take it right.
So, before doing this, how the construction work was started?
See,
So, is that just authority had given you the permission to start?
That's what
We had a 2 consultative meeting with the church authority, and they are
So you had
all
also
aware.
said that today church authority will be present over here. There is any church authority over here.
So in
They
the-
will give their comments in the meantime. So I request you to first.
No, actually, one more question. See, you have come to the panchayat for that briefing. Okay, in the panchayat, I remember.
Oh.
Okay, so you had told that you will be giving them the update later on, but that update was never done to the panchayat. That is what
Which
they are saying.
update?
As even this point was raised yesterday in this.
Uh-huh.
Because they said, the deputy sarpanch, he said that
Mhm.
you all had come to the meeting for the
Okay.
Gram Sabha,
Huh.
and then you all had told them that you will be giving an
Mhm.
update.
So before starting any work, we'll take them into
Now the
confidence
work is
and then
started.
yeah.
That is what.
No, it is stopped now, no? Based on
So
that
what
thing. So
about those
before
canal
starting, we
walls?
will take it. Huh?
They are still there.
Yeah,
You can always go and have a site visit.
and we'll just like definitely we'll be looking into it.
So I request you to please, we'll see the presentation first and then we'll take any more questions. Yeah, please.